Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video. Today I'm gonna be making overnight oats. So this is one of my favorite recipes that I use almost every day because I love oatmeal. So if you like oatmeal or if you've never had oatmeal, you should definitely try this recipe. You're gonna love this. It's super easy and it's really good and it's really healthy for you. So let me show you how I make it. Alright, so these are the things what we need for this recipe. It's pretty simple. I usually use almond milk, but you can use any kind of milk. I think this is from Costco. And this is just an optional chia seeds. If you don't have it, it's fine. You can make it without it, but it does make your oats extra creamy, so I recommend using this a lot. This is the most important thing, oats. So I use this rolled oats, old-fashioned, but you can also use quick oats and maple syrup. If you like honey better, you can use honey or any kind of syrup. It's also just some topping. It's cinnamon powder and tablespoon. And I use this jar. It's just perfect for overnight oats because it's set on top. I don't even know where I got it from, but it's been pretty good. So if you don't have this kind of jar, you can just use a glass and cover it with plastic wrap. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna need a cup of almond milk. You're just gonna pour into the jar. Then I usually put a tablespoon of chia seeds, like this much, and also maple syrup. Like this much. And you're gonna mix it up. Put like half cup of oats. I think half cup is enough. So you're just gonna pour it here. Okay, and mix it up as well. So it depends on my mood, but I also use coconut flakes and sometimes cinnamon powder. So this time I'm just gonna put some cinnamon powder, just a little bit. Just don't put too much. That's it. How simple is that? You're gonna let it sit in the fridge at least for 6 hours, I would say. I think 5 hours is fine, but I usually let it sit for like 8 hours. And then I usually eat this as a breakfast. It's a really healthy breakfast. You can put bananas or blueberries on the top as a topping. It's super good. So let's wait until the next morning. Good morning, guys. So it's 8:30 a.m. right now. It's been actually more than 12 hours since I made that oatmeal, so I'm really excited to eat it. Let's take it up from the fridge. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. It's been in the fridge for longer than 12 hours. It's not as pretty as what you imagine without the topping, but now comes the fun part. You can make it prettier. I'm just gonna put whatever I have in the fridge today. So let's do it. Honestly, I can eat it without the topping. It's still super good, but today I have fresh blueberries, so I'm gonna put a bunch of them. This much. Finch. Say hi. He's the cutest. Pretty much it's ready. I don't need anything else, but sometimes I use, actually a lot of time I use almond butter because this is one of my favorite things to eat. Okay, let's try. Okay guys, so this is the other one I made. It was in the fridge for actually 2 days. It looks pretty much the same, except I added some bananas and coconut flakes. And I was about to put some honey. Sounds really good. Okay guys, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please let me know if you guys want more of these videos. Bye!